All right, so here is the gold bot that I have been running for about a month now. It's been either 3 weeks or 4 weeks. I can check here, but as you can see, so this is on a $10,000 account, and the profit is up, so 10,000 right here, and yeah, the profit is 1,537. So right now it's at about 15%. For either 3 weeks or 4 weeks. I'll just say 4 weeks because 15% a month is great. So yeah, basically how this one works is it works on gold, which is XAUUSD. It works on the 15-minute time frame. And the strategy is it's actually quite different from the other one. So overall, I believe that this is it's like a safer strategy in that there will be less drawdown. Than the other bot, or like the other bot has the potential, how do I say this? The EUR USD bot has the potential to have higher drawdown, which is why we need to use an equity stop loss on the entire account for that one. For the gold bot, that's not the case. You don't actually need an equity stop loss because each trade has a built-in stop loss, so that if it gets too negative, it'll just close it. So, you can see there are some losses here. They're not that big compared to some of the winners, and there's a lot more winners than losers. Yeah, you can see right here. I mean, out of how many trades? I don't know. Maybe we'll say 80, possibly 70 or 80 trades. Maybe it looks like. There's been 3 losses. So, and they're not like massive. They're maybe a little bit bigger than the wins, but overall, this is a winning strategy, and yeah, you can see overall it's been pretty profitable. So yeah, and the way that this works is the strategy, basically it's a breakout strategy on the 15-minute. So you can see here, like if there's major inflection points on the 15-minute chart, then the bot, I'll show you how it works. You'll see it's actually different than the EUR USD bot. You notice how the trades down below here, they say placed. So these ones are actually pending orders. They're not open orders yet. So basically what this bot does is it'll automatically place pending orders that haven't been opened yet at like major inflection points on the 15-minute chart. And then once price hits those major inflection points on the 15-minute chart, then the orders are actually triggered and opened. So that is just how it works. It's not, it's very different from the other strategy where they're all just open. Yeah, so this is how the strategy works overall, and then it will, as price moves in our direction, actually, you can see right here, as price moves in the direction, there's a trailing stop loss to like protect the profits that are being made. So basically, as price is moving in our favor, the stop loss will actually move closer and closer to the current price, so that even if the price turns around and starts reversing, it'll just close still in profit. So basically, you'll see how there's a lot that hit the stop loss, but they were in profit. So how is that possible? Well, that's possible because the stop loss is automatically moving into profit. So, that's another major plus of this bot and this strategy is, yeah, the stop loss is trailing. So it's going to protect profits. Once price gets into profit or into a good amount of profit, then the stop loss will automatically be trailing to protect as much profits as possible. Again, there will be some trades where it just, right away it kind of starts reversing and it never does get into the positive. And that's just the nature of trading. There's no algorithm or no strategy that's 100% perfect, but this does protect your losses in what I think is a really smart and a pretty safe and, big way, I believe. So yeah, because of that, there is no need for an equity stop loss, and yeah, each trade is protected by its own internal stop loss, so that if the situation, so you're not going to get into major drawdown situations. Instead, the trade is just going to close. So yeah, this is how this strategy works. Again, this is run on gold specifically, and yeah, so that's how it works.